To enable or disable smoke and fire alarm sound notification icon broadcast in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open setting screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap hearing enhancements. Select sound notifications. Tap settings. And then tap sound notifications are paused if you turn off sound notification, and if you turn on, tap sound notification are active. And then turn on live transcript notification sounds if off. Tap sound notification switch until blue to turn on, and then select smoke and fire alarms. And then to turn on, to enable icon pages, tap switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until black or until white. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.